In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automation on your Wix site using webhooks. This is an incredibly handy feature that can streamline your workflow by automatically connecting your Wix site to external services. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to make our way to the automation section in your Wix site's dashboard. Start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to work on. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the sidebar on your left. You'll see a variety of options listed there. Click on Automations. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create automated workflows that save you time and keep everything running smoothly. Now that we're in the Automation section, our next step is to create a new automation. To do this, look for the plus New Automation button. Clicking this will give you a fresh slate to customize your workflow according to your specific needs. Once you've clicked the button, you'll be presented with a few options on how to get started. For our purposes here, you'll want to choose Start from Scratch. This option provides maximum flexibility and allows you to tailor your automation exactly as you need it. The next thing we need to do is set a trigger for our new automation. In the Choose an App and Trigger section, you can choose from a variety of options depending on what you want to automate. For this example, let's choose Wix Forms and then the Form Submitted trigger. This means that whenever a form is submitted on your site, it will trigger the automation you're setting up. Triggers like this help keep your workflows efficient and responsive. Once you've set your trigger, it's time to decide what action it will lead to. In this case, we want to send via webhook. This step is crucial because it allows you to send data from your Wix site to another platform automatically. Once you choose this action, you will see a field where you can paste a target URL. This is where you'll enter the URL provided by your external service. Basically, the endpoint where you want your data sent. After pasting the target URL, you'll need to determine what data should be sent with this automation. You have two choices here. Send all data or select specific fields. Choosing to send all data means every piece of information collected in the form will be sent to the webhook. On the other hand, selecting specific fields lets you cherry-pick what bits of information are transferred, giving you more control over your data. To finish, make sure to click Activate. This step confirms your setup and gets the automation up and running. Once activated, your workflow is ready to go, efficiently linking your Wix site with external services whenever that form submission occurs. And there you have it. Your automation is all set.